Okay, I think resource persons also joined here. So a very good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. B. Murugeshwari, Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Velamal Institute of Technology. First of all, I feel privileged to welcome you all for the 5 days FTP on data science, computational intelligence, and biomedical engineering. So we have received very good response from the participant side. So, and we are very happy to receive of the participants from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Pondicherry, Sikkim, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala, Jammu and Kashmir. So, the Velamal Institute of Technology started in the year 2008. The institute has developed in the short span of time and offers 7 undergraduate programs in various branches of engineering and technology, information technology with an intake of 60 students. And that is, we are conducting periodic guest lectures, seminars, hands-on training programs in the field of machine learning, IoT, cloud computing, etc. So now the society is more and more dependent on technology. The last few years, the AICT have taken very much good measure and implement the research and innovation culture in the engineering colleges across the India. So we are very much thankful for the AICT for approving such kind of FTPs to improve the research culture. And I thank the management for providing this kind of opportunity. Our advisors was principals and the dedicated team of faculty members of our IT department. And that is the finally, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the students of Department of IT. So with this introduction, I request our principal sir to address all the participants.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Am I audible, madam?
Audible, sir.
Okay. So, a warm, very good morning to all the resource persons as well as participants from across the country. So, it's a pleasure morning to welcome you all once again on this wonderful FDP program. As Madam pointed out, I am Dr. Soundararajan, Principal of Velamal Institute of Technology, and we started in the year 2008, and we are pioneers in the field of education and academically as well as in placement. We are doing good, and we involve ourselves in various activities like arranging guest lectures, conducting faculty development programs in a frequently. The purpose of all these programs is to strengthen the knowledge gap between the industry as well as between the environment to the students as well as to the faculty members. As Madam rightly pointed out, that now AICT has taken a step forward due to this pandemic situation also to create awareness about the latest trends in the industry and the latest aspects in the fields of various fields of engineering through conducting such kind of programs like ATAL programs and all. So once again, wholehearted thanks to AICT for this kind of initiative, and also from our college, we are very much thankful for us giving an opportunity to conduct this kind of program. And at the outset, I am very happy to welcome Mr. Ramakrishnan, the guest speaker who is going to address next to me to the audience. Wholehearted welcome you, sir. Thank you for your kind acceptance and thanks for your presence today.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. And again, it's indeed a pleasure for me to welcome Dr. Chellam, who is going to address the morning session next to Ramakrishnan, sir. Heartily welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure hearing from you, sir.
Yeah. And also, it's indeed a pleasure for me to welcome all the participants across the country who have registered for this FDP. And mainly, the purpose of this kind of FDP for the faculty fraternity like us is to exchange, to share the ideas, and to extract the necessary information from the experts who are in the field. So this is a kind of platform where we can nurture our skills as well as whatever we have learned through this platform. We can share the entire knowledge to the students so that it's a kind of give and take policy that what we are getting from the experts and that we are delivering it to our students. So on this note, it's such a beautiful platform that all the faculty members like us can meet together, can share our information, can extract the required updates, what is happening, current updates in our field. Like as today's the purpose of this Atal program is to enhance our knowledge in the statistical methods and data science areas, as well as the latest updates in the big data management and how the data revolves around us and how it helps us to equip in knowledge gathering, everything and all. Hope these kind of FDPs, which was initiated by the AICTE, will be helpful for us to equip ourselves to establish in the latest trends in our engineering area. Once again, it's a pleasure morning to welcome you all, and on behalf of Velammal Institute of Technology, I wholehearted welcome all the registered participants for this wonderful FTB program. At the outset, I am very happy to congratulate Dr. Murugeshwari, Head of the Department of Information Technology, who has been organizing and coordinating to conduct this Atal program. Thank you very much, ma'am,
Thank you so
for
much,
the
sir.
initiating as well as for organizing this kind of program. And it's a pleasure for me to congratulate all the faculty members of IT department who are supporting to the HOD to coordinate these kind of events and who are strengthening our college in all aspects in education as well as such kind of programs. And with this note, once again, I welcome you all on this beautiful morning and hope this platform will create a very big scope for us to enhance ourselves in the areas whatever we are focusing. With this note, once again, I welcome you all. I welcome the resource persons, whoever going to address the audience in the forthcoming sessions also. Thank you, one and all present here.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful inaugural speech. Let me introduce few words about our keynote speaker, Mr. Ramakrishnan Raman. He is worked as a professor, project mentor, technical trainer in higher colleges of technology, Dubai. Before that, he worked as solution architect in TCS, UK, technical lead in Wipro Technologies, system engineer in IBM, senior technical consultant in Nest Technologies. He has recently received the award from University of Texas for the contribution towards data science and business analytics. Once again, I welcome you, Mr. Ramakrishnan Raman.
Thank you, Dr. Murugeshwari.
Thank you.